Hi guys, I'm gonna be, this is one of my first videos that I'm ever doing. So I have all these slimes and I'm gonna show them to you today. So first I have this orange one and it's so nice feeling. I like the texture of it. It mostly feels like a orange juice, and it is orange juice, and it doesn't have stretches. It will do it, or it doesn't poke because it's mostly like super hard. So, but if you just stretch it, like this, then you'll see it kind of turns crystal clear. The next one is my pearl slime. It's very shiny. I like the feeling of it. It mostly feels like I don't know what it feels like, but it's actually pretty nice. It doesn't pass for the poke either, but it does go like it will turn a little clear, like it looks like this. So next I'm gonna show you one of my other slimes, and it's a green slime with some like little specks of star glitter, if you could see them. And it's my zombie slime, so I really like it. And I don't know if it passes for the poke, so let's see. Well, I am on a metal table, so it won't really show up. But it is pretty clear, so let me show you. Oh. So, yeah, like, you could see it's starting to turn, like, beautiful clear, and then there it goes. It tears pretty easily. I do have more of these slimes. It's just that I'm not, like, showing you all of it because it's hard to get all of it out. Except this one. Next I'm showing you one of my strawberry slimes. They're actually scented like a strawberry. So it comes in this container, and I like it. And you can also see it's strawberry scented right here. So I'm gonna open this real quick. Okay, yeah, shut it up pretty tight. Okay, here it is. It's not a slime, it's more of a putty. I do have another one of these, and I'm showing it to you today. Just we haven't got there yet. This is so soft, and it actually is like a bunch of strings whenever you stretch it. Look. And if you feel like the stringy area, but if you like press it down, it'll turn back into this slime. It is so soft. I don't know how soft it is, but it's soft. Next I have a blueberry juice one, and you see all this water. It's because it's juice. It has to have some water in it too. So it's super drippy. I'll just be putting this over my bag. So it's not really doing anything. You could just feel around with it and make some music with it. Yeah, it's not really stretchy. It's like a sand slime, so yeah. Next I have this slime. It's I don't know how to spell it, but yeah, it's a type of slime. So I'm going to oh, this is so good feeling. So yeah, this is there's like little like these glitters in here, and it's so like a jelly. It's like very like a jelly, and yeah, we're still on metal, so yeah, it won't really show, but it does get this color of clear. So yeah. Next I have this really nice other slime. It's actually most of like this, it's actually also kind of looking like this slime, but it's like, it has a different texture. I'm gonna open this real quick. Yeah. So this is so like a sand slime. I put a few glitter in it, if you see. And yeah, there's also some big glitter in it and like little glitter in it. So yeah, now I'm going to be showing you this this slime. So I really like the texture of it, and it's yeah, you know. So I'm going to be showing you what it feels. So like it's very just so smooth. It's not like one of the sand slimes. It's better than those. So yeah, this one, if you first make it will turn out a little pokey, but yeah, once you start mixing it in, it won't. So it's not really stretchable, and I'm still on metal, so yeah, it won't work for poking. And yeah, you could just find it turning out like bubbly clear, like find like little white glitter in it, but it's actually not white. It's like these colors, shiny, clear. Next, I'm gonna show you my other slime. So this really feels like a nice slime. It's super wet, but yeah, it's so good. I like that it comes with these little like dimes in it. So yeah. Next, I want to show you my lavender scented stirring nighttime slime, and it's so nice. So yeah, it's this one, and I like that it's not like juicy, but it's like slippery like the other ones. You can kind of hear it on metal, just kind of. And I put it some free drops of lavender in it, so it really smells really good. And if you see, it kind of has a clear look to it. If you like really stretch it out pretty good without breaking it. But I also like it like this. It feels a little smoothish, like a smoothie. Get it? Next I'm gonna show you another slime, and it's mostly like a sand slime. It's more of a sand slime, like it's more than these slimes. It's more sandier, like. So it has like little half of like foam in it, and there's only a little bit. So yeah, and I'll tell you why there's juice in here. It's just because it has juice. I have no idea. Maybe because I was playing with another slime and dipped my hand into slime. So this is really nice. I'm not taking it out of the bag because then it will crumble everywhere. But yeah, you can still feel it inside the bag. Like I opened the bag, but I'm not like going like that. Next, I'm showing you my let me get it. It's a really nice slime, and it's not like a slime or a putty. It's more like just like nice and smooth. So you can see it kind of has like, if you flat it down, you see it kind of looks like Play-Doh, but yeah, it's, so I really, if you get it like super, like this and just rub it lightly, it feels like a rubber. And next I have this really cool slime, and it's also like these slimes, like a sand slime. Whoa, yeah, I just got myself wet. So this one doesn't have too much water in it, and I add a lot of baking soda in it, so it should feel like powdery grass. It's like, I try to make it like baby powder grass, like babies were been like jumping powder on the grass. So that's what I try to do here. Next, I have this lemonade raspberry, whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called, but it's called something. So I'm going to take it out of the bag now. So, hold on, let me take it out of the bag real quick. This is hard. So here it is. It does poke. We're still on metal, so you can't really hear it. You kind of hear like little poking sounds. Next, I really like, oh, hold on, it's starting, and it does stretch, let me get it flat, okay, like, I don't know how to do it, but yeah, it will turn clear, it will turn like this color, and if you keep stretching it, it will turn clear. Next I have a snow slime. So it's in 2 bags because there's a hole in the other bag. So yeah. And I don't know, but it's so soft. And it's my snow slime, and it's so like a slime. So yeah, I'm still on metal, so you won't really, you'll just hear like a metal sound. So wow, look at how crystal clear that is. Oh, it breaks pretty easily. So yeah. It should turn out like right between here. It should turn out clear. Either way, yeah. Let's keep going, and I'm gonna. I don't know how to do this, so I'll just leave it. And I have one last sign for this video. make sure to subscribe and comment down below. So this is another putty. It's super sticky, so I'm only getting like one slice out of it. Who cares about that? I'll fix that later. So yes, it does be stringy like a spider web. Yeah, and super sticky. So yeah, super duper. Whenever you like first start to stretch it like this, it's like nice actually. So that's the end of our video. Make sure to subscribe and give a big thumbs up to this video. And yeah, that's it for today.